Namaste friends, welcome to Infinity Pi Math. Today we are going to find all the real solution of this interesting equation. Here as we can see, the question is 8 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 130. We need to find out the value of x. From this equation we can write this as 8 is 2 to the power 3 whole to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 130. Now we can write this equation as 2 to the power x whole cube plus 2 to the power x is equal to 130. Let us consider 2 to the power x as t. Then we can write as 2 to the power x is t. That means we can write this t cube plus 2 to the power x as t. We can write t is equal to 130. Now we can write this equation as t cube plus t minus 130 is equal to 0. Now let us solve this cubic equation and we can rewrite this equation as t cube plus this plus t, we can write it as 26t minus 25t, it will become plus t. Then I am writing this as t cube minus 25t plus 26t minus 130 is equal to 0. Now from these two expressions we can take t as common and we can write it as t square minus 25 plus from these two expressions we can take 26 as common and we can write this as t minus 5 is equal to 0. Now as we can see, this is t square minus 25 is 5 square. We can write this equation as t whole multiply with, as it is a square minus b square, we can write it as t minus 5 multiply with t plus 5 plus 26 whole multiply with t minus 5 is equal to 0. Now from these two terms t minus 5 we can take common, then we can write this as t minus 5 whole multiply with t plus 5 plus 26 is equal to 0. Now this we can write it as t minus 5 whole multiply with t square plus 5t plus 26 is equal to 0. Now we can write this equation as either t minus 5 is equal to 0 or t square plus 5t plus 26 is equal to 0. As we can see, this is a quadratic equation where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 26. Let us find the delta of this equation, that is b square minus 4ac. Then we can write it as b is equal to 5 square, that is 25 minus 4 into a into c is 26. Then we can see clearly this value is a negative number. If it is a negative number, then there is no real solution for this expression. Now coming back to this equation, as t minus 5 is equal to 0, then we can write t is equal to 5 and we have already considered t as 2 to the power x is equal to 5. Now putting log on both the sides of the equation, we can write it as log 2 to the power x is equal to log 5. Now we can write this equation as we know log a to the power m is equal to m log a. We can write this as x log 2 is equal to log 5. Now the value of x is log 5 divided by log 2, and this expression we can write as log 5 base 2. Hence the value of x is log 5 base 2. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye bye.